on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video we have the Box by Fashionsta October 2020 unboxing. I will leave my Fashionsta playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. The Box by Fashionsta is $25 a month. You get about 5 to 7 full-size items, and each box retails for over $100. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. I'm not sure if it's new for October or it's because it's spooky season, but for the October box, it is 1920s soiree inspired. We present to you our special celebration of the glitz and glamour of the 1920s with our October box, filled with a curation of makeup and skincare to keep you and your skin glam and dance party ready. We hope you enjoyed this month's products, and remember, you are truly beautiful inside and out. So when I get November's box, I'll see if there's a theme. I did not do an unboxing for September. I don't even think I opened up my September box yet. I have like some boxes accumulated that never got a chance for a video to maybe do in a live. So the first item is by LA Splash Cosmetics. This is the Golden Gatsby Old Money Highlighting Palette that retails for $28. I don't believe I've ever used this brand before, and I think Ulta carries it. If this is the right brand that I'm thinking of, they have some fun eyeshadow palettes that have caught my attention. I just never took the plunge and tried it. So depending on how this pans out for me, maybe I will take the plunge. Maybe they'll have some deals on Ulta's Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales, and maybe that's when I'll snag a palette. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. These highlighting shades are gorgeous. These two look very similar, but I'm thinking that one might pull a little bit more pink, one might be a little bit more peachy. So I think that's a sign we gotta do some swatches. Doe, Mazuma, Sugar, Scratch. And this is the highlighter palette swatched. So I was wrong. These two shades look very closely related to each other. I think Sugar just pulls maybe a little bit more rose gold. It is a little bit more deeper than the shade Scratch. I think the shade Mazuma is definitely really bold and really fun. Yellowish gold highlighters are some that I don't always go towards. I definitely like the more champagne, peachy, rose gold, pink, even light purple ones. So that's definitely gonna push me out of my comfort zone. And I also think that Doe is also super pretty as well. But these bottom two shades, Sugar and Scratch, those are gonna be the two I know I'm gonna reach for sure. Can't wait to see how these are blinding on the cheekbones. I do hate the confetti packaging that the box uses. It leaves like a residue on all the products because I notice it on my hands and I'm just like, what is this? Next, by the brand ColorProof, this is the Bio Repair Thickening Blow Dry Spray, and it retails for $32. I couldn't even tell you the last time I used a hair dryer on my hair. It's just something that I have skipped throughout the years. It's always been a way for me to at least cut down on the heat exposure to my hair. So I don't know if I will get any use out of that, but let's see what other benefits it could provide. Grips to individual hair fibers to increase density and weightlessly volumizes fine thinning hair. Well, I don't have thinning hair, but I could use a little bit more volumizing in my curls at least. It delivers active plant stem cells to restore aging tissue, strengthen and protect against breakage, which I do get a lot of breakage on my ends for sure. Leaves hair soft and visibly fuller with color and heat protection up to 450 degrees for all your 1920s inspired hairstyling. It's cruelty free and paraben free, which is awesome because I do not like products that have parabens in it. That has just been a preference of mine ever since I worked in topicals. I'd rather have a different type of preservative like phenoxyethanol or EDTA instead. Let's just spritz it and see how it's dispensed. Oh, kind of just comes out there, leaves some bubbles in your hair, not as misty, unless that was just like the initial. Okay, got a little bit better. Based off that spray radius, I definitely see myself definitely just spritzing all over the place. Probably would go through the bottle pretty quickly. It's the New Beauty 2019 award winner. That's exciting. Third, we have by Georgette Klinger. This is the charcoal drying lotion, and it retails for $19. I've only tried one other drying lotion, and it was by Mario Badescu, but I believe there was actually ironically parabens in it, so I stopped using it. So I haven't really explored other options since, and I kind of need more of an option these days. I have been having really bad cystic acne breakouts lately, and it doesn't come in like a cluster. It's definitely just like one off, and when it is one off, it's huge, throbbing, burns, hurts, causes a lot of pain. I'm still recovering on some scarring right here. And this one definitely has been picked at too. I know, terrible habit, but nothing seems to help. But I used all of my emergency acne products, like my spot treatments, acne cleansers. I switched like my whole routine to my acne products and still nothing was happening. Resorted to the old-fashioned picking and I'm definitely paying for it right now. So this will definitely come in handy since I am having this breakout fiasco lately. This will definitely be a true test if it does help, and I will be so excited if that is the case. Fourth, we have by Skin & Coroma. This is the Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream that retails for $28. Definitely have seen our fair share of this brand in a bunch of other subscription boxes, but I don't think I've actually used the whipped cleansing cream. It's not ringing any bells. I definitely have the gommage because I'm almost running out of one bottle. Luckily, I have a backup. I actually really do enjoy that product. That's probably my favorite product from Skin & Co that we've received. I have the toner. It's not as memorable as some of like the other toners that I've used. I'm sure there's some other products I just can't remember, but I know we've definitely seen like the gommage and the toner multiple times. So I am excited to see how this might work with like double cleansing using the gommage, because the gommage is definitely more of an exfoliator. I think it does a really good job exfoliating. Based off how it dispenses and like the grit feeling that it has, I thought it was going to be too harsh, but I actually have not experienced any micro tearing from what I can tell. I haven't seen like an enlargement of my pores, and I do have a toner that does seem to burn afterwards if I'm not careful, which is my Ole Henriksen blue bottle. So that's normally a gauge if there are some products causing some micro tearing, because when I am applying the toner, I will feel like that burning sensation. Definitely will incorporate this into my routine since I have like a little bit left of gommage that I'm trying to use up, which is very exciting because it does take me forever to go through products. Fifth, by Gerard Cosmetics. This is the Kiss Assistant Lip Plumper that retails for $21. Had no idea Gerard Cosmetics was making an appearance because I have their liquid lipstick Mudslide on my lips today. Is this new? I am not sure. I am not familiar with this product at all. And this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna put this back in the box and I'm gonna set it aside for a giveaway because me and lip plumpers do not get along at all. I am definitely allergic to some kind of plumping ingredient because my lips burn really bad, and I look like the cheap fish from Mario after using them. There's only been one plumping product that I have been able to use, and it's a plumping gloss by BOXYCHARM that does not cause that burning sensation. So if I do want plumping, that's what I go towards, and I have not been adventurous with any other plumping items just because of like the terrible reaction that I get. I already have dry, sensitive lips as it is, and I do not want to put them through any more torture than they're already going through. Lastly, by Lapkos, this is the Charcoal Pore Care Sheet Mask that retails for $3. This is infused with charcoal powder to purify and brighten skin, draws out impurities, and minimizes the appearance of pores, detoxifying, tightening, and hydrating. It's cruelty and paraben free. I am loving seeing the words cruelty free and paraben free. I think we have received a couple of sheet masks from this brand, and I think in a Allure beauty box, that's where I'm thinking I got a sheet mask from this. I don't think IPSY or BOXYCHARM has put anything like that. Most of the sheet masks I get are from Facetory. I am in a huge Korean skincare frenzy right now. I always get excited for sheet masks. They're just really fun to do almost daily, even though these days I need more of the intense masks, like my Ole Henriksen Pore Plunge. That has been my go-to to really extract and go deep in these pores to help prevent some of the cystic acne that we have going on. So overall for October's box, I think that was actually pretty solid. I liked how for the most part it was pretty well balanced. I'm stoked to play with the highlighter. I think it was a good change of pace because we have seen a lot of eyeshadow palettes from the box, which is fine. I do love my eyeshadow, but it's always fun to change it up, and I think that this is very appropriate for that 1920s theme that they were going for. I'm excited to set this product aside for a giveaway. Definitely have my Thanksgiving and Christmas giveaways coming up, so this could definitely be a product that shows up there. And then half of the box, we got skincare items. I am already a huge fan of the Skin & Co's gommage, and I think that this cleanser is going to work really nice with it, especially for double cleansing when you have a full face. I have been in some need of drying lotion with the cystic acne, so I'm hoping that this is going to be that missing product that I've been lacking in my skincare routine to combat when they do pop up. And we can't go wrong with the sheet mask. And then this hair product, I'm really curious to see how this is going to play out since I am not going to be using it to blow dry my hair. Definitely curious to find a way to make this product work in my hair care routine. I would love to know, do you guys get the Box by Fashionsta? Were there any other variations? I can never remember if there are any variations or not. If you have already received your box and played with some of these products, how did everything work out for you? What are some fun tips and tricks that you found out that works best to make these products work? And are you excited for November's box? I cannot believe November is almost here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.